Hi, what's cooking? I'm Bella and welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new to the channel, please take a moment and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you get notified every time a new recipe drops. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to substitute heavy cream in your diet. Whether it's because you want to cut down the cholesterol or you're following a plant-based diet, but you're just like me, a sucker for creamy food. Today I want to share with you how to replace heavy cream with cream of cashew. I will be placing the list of ingredients in the comments down below, as well as a link to the video on how to make the cream of cashew. I will be making it for you today, but I'm not going to go as much in detail as on the previous video that I already made. So the reason why I decided to share this tip with you is because personally I love heavy cream. But I know it's not good for me. So when we compare the nutritional facts between half a cup of heavy cream and half a cup of cream of cashew, the main difference that screams at me, at least, is the amount of cholesterol and saturated fat. So cashews are high in fats as well, but besides saturated fat, you also have the two other fats that are good cholesterol. The LDL cholesterol that help with the good cholesterol. Also, cashews have a lot of protein, fiber, and they are higher in carbs versus heavy cream. So you just gotta weigh your options. What are you looking for in your diet, right? So I have here half a cup of raw cashews that I already soaked in filtered water. I soaked half a cup in 1 cup of water. What we're going to do is rinse this, and then we're going to get filtered water, fresh filtered water, to blend this. I soak the cashews for a minimum of 4 hours. You can also soak them in filtered water overnight. And then here I have 3/4 of a cup of filtered water, and the recipe that I chose to show you how it really compares to the consistency that you're going to get on the heavy cream, the velvety and smooth texture. I'm going to be making just a white sauce for pasta, but I use this for quiche. On my recipes for quiche, you can also replace the heavy cream for this cream of cashew. You can make a creamy sauce for a fish or chicken. You can make creamy soup. So the only thing I have not experimented with is whipping. I don't think you're going to get the same results as heavy whipped cream, but I haven't tested yet, so more to come on that. So I want plain cream. I'm not adding sugar or salt, okay? So just cashews and water. And now we're going to blend it until it's really well blended. I already sterilized a container, so you see it looks very much like milk or cream. It's not as thick yet, but you're going to see what happens once you heat this up and you actually cook the cashews. I'm actually adding another 1/4 cup of filtered water just because I know that for a white sauce for pasta, which is what I'm going to be making today to show you the consistency, how it's very similar to heavy cream. This was too thick already. You're going to see once it cooks. And we may still need to add a little bit more water once it cooks. I'm using a vegan butter this time, not because I'm following a vegan diet, but I wanted to also show you that this is a great alternative for a plant-based diet. I have 4 different types of mushrooms in here. Seasoning with a little bit of salt, garlic powder, and black pepper. I'm keeping this one very simple. Once you get a nice golden color, you're going to add the cream. And now I'm adding 1/4 of a cup of the cream. Added another 1/4 of a cup of water, and I lower the temperature. You see how creamy this is? And that's it. It's ready. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please leave some comments down below. I'd love to hear your feedback or any questions you may have as well. So just remember, add a little bit more water if you are using for a pasta sauce. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.